Welcome to Taste of Portugal. Today, I'm going to show you the most popular Portuguese bread, Alentejo bread, pão alentejano. The recipe is easy to make at home, so stay tuned and follow all the steps for a perfect result. Let's get started. As ingredients you will need 1 kilogram of wheat flour, 20 grams of salt, 600 milliliters of warm water and 50 grams of fresh yeast. Start by putting the flour in a bowl and make a small space in the center to add the yeast. Add small doses of warm water to the place where the yeast is and stir with your hand to break it down. Keep adding water little by little and also the salt. Stir the flour so that it fully absorbs the water. Knead the dough against a bowl or table for at least 20 minutes. The longer you beat, the fluffier the bread will be. After kneading the dough, sprinkle it with flour so that it doesn't stick to the bowl. Cover with a cloth and let it rest in a place with a mild temperature until the dough increases in volume, about 2 to 3 hours. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, or 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the dough from the bowl, make a ball and sprinkle it again with a little flour. Once the oven is hot, insert the ball and increase the temperature to 250 degrees Celsius, or 492 degrees Fahrenheit, for the first 5 minutes. For the remaining 55 minutes, the oven should return to 200 degrees Celsius, or 392 degrees Fahrenheit, again. Finally, we have some tips that can help you. Baking time may depend on oven power. If in doubt, keep an eye on it and remove the Alentejo bread before it gets too toasted. Increasing the oven temperature serves to speed up the cooking process but is not mandatory. You can always keep the oven at 200 degrees Celsius, or 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not immediately cut the bread after removing it from the oven as it may not be fully cooked. Even out of the oven, it continues to bake for a few more minutes. Now it's time to enjoy it. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe. If you have any questions or want to learn a specific recipe, please leave them in the comments.